Man, you see this in a life, you say you love something, and you try to treat it good, and it fuck up itself, and it gone. Remember, when you see that try come back, don't take it back. You hear that? Don't take it back. When you lose a woman who gives yourself trouble, you lose a problem. You see me? So right now, I live the best of my life. I'm happy. Me at work. Right now, work me, I go see this. Work your father, I go right now. My father, you see that? I go up on the Phoenix Park, I work. See it? You don't know a Tyler lifestyle, you see me? So, big up yourself and Father Chris there said where call your prison name again?
Chris Magazine.
No. Chris Magazine and in the prison, brother.
Oh, prison, Tamarind Farm.
Yeah, we are past Tamarind Farm prison, see there? Yeah, Tamarind Farm prison that. Yeah, so we're up where you got Portmore, see me? Down the wall in that Phoenix Park, two way I go on. How them work, so. Father Chris, you don't know. Peace. Kaka, big up yourself, said we read that gallis. Alright, but don't make no more girl broke in, you know. Alright, peace out.